Hello everyone, and for those staying at home, here's an easy daily routine for staying healthy. On our YouTube channel, there are over 30 free videos to practice with. Now stand with your feet shoulder width apart, palms open. Slowly breathe in as you lift the hands up. Turn the hands over, exhale, and softly sink in your knee. Breathing in, exhale. Make sure you breathe in through your nose, and you can exhale through nose or mouth. Breathing in, and softly exhale. The next move, your hands float up about chest height, softly sink back down. So you're breathing in, wrists relax, exhale and sink. This is a good one for high blood pressure. Breathing in, exhale. The next move, your palms will come together up to your chest, expand the arms out. And as you come back, you will hug yourself. You breathe in as if you're hugging the whole world. And now hug yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again, and exhale, hugging yourself. Now here's a routine that will stimulate the immune system and energize the body. Feet go shoulder width, left arm out, and you start tapping. Turn your arm up. Put the right arm out and start. Turn it up. And the hands come down. Now your left arm goes out just under your armpit. That's working your lymphatics and the spleen. Other side. Now your liver and spleen. Go to your stomach. Go to the groin. Go out to the hips, gallbladder meridian. Go down the outside of your legs, up the inside. Hips again. Go down the outside legs, inside legs. Go to your buttocks. This works the bladder meridian. Left arm, right shoulder. Face. Behind the head. Massage your ears, all around the ears. You have a lot of acupressure points. Work the inside of the ear. If you can, if you have a hearing aid, just stay to the perimeter of your ear. Tap between your eyes. It's a bladder point, corners of your eyes, your gallbladder. Under your eye, your stomach. Your upper lip is called a governing vessel. It runs down your spine. It's a major meridian. Lower lip called a conception vessel runs down the front of your body and hooks up with the governing vessel. Tap up here in your collarbone, which is your kidney meridian. And the center here, your thymus. It's good to do a few deep breaths with this one. It's a good one. This helps for anxiety, depression, helps energize your body. And work up to your thyroid. Tap a little around the thyroid. Now we'll do a closing salutation. Step out with your left leg, palms open. Gather the energy, breathe in, hands come together over your head. Exhale down to the chest. Open the hands into the lotus flower, the flower of beauty, strength, and purity. As you exhale, close it into two fists. You breathe in and you push it out to the universe. As you exhale, you open and let it go. Come back into prayerful pose, left leg comes in, and salutation. Our prayers and blessings will be with you.
We're leaving this video open so you can share it with others. To stay healthy, visit our YouTube channel and enjoy over 30 free practice videos. Click on videos to find them all. You can also order DVDs from our website. Blessings and peace.